Okay, today I am making a cheesy jalapeno cornbread, and this is what you'll need to get started. I'm using 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of yellow cornmeal. I've already mixed it in a bowl. I'm also going to use 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and in my other cornbread recipe I added extra salt, but since we're putting cheese and other things in this, 1 teaspoon works just fine. I'm also going to use 1 1/4 cup of whole milk, a 1/3 cup of sugar. You can definitely adjust the sugar in this recipe to suit your needs. If you want to add less or add more, it's up to you. I'm also using 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 4 ounces of shredded cheese. Today I'm using Colby Jack cheese, but typically I like to add a sharp cheddar cheese, but this is what I had today. I'm also going to be using 1 room temperature large egg. Next, I will be adding 2 ounces of pickled jalapenos. I'm adding half that amount today because I'm not eating any. My kid wants to have some, so I don't want to have a super spicy cornbread, but definitely add more if you like. I'm also adding a 1/4 cup of chopped scallions, and an optional ingredient is fresh corn. I have 2 ears of corn here, and I will be slicing the corn kernels off the cob. And you can definitely exclude this if you don't have it, or if you want to puree it, that's fine. But I like to keep the kernels whole because it adds great texture to the bread. Okay, so I am going to add all of the ingredients together in this bowl, starting with all the dry ingredients. I'll give it a mix and then add all the wet ingredients. And I do want to mention, when you're making this cornbread, you can definitely substitute the pickled jalapeno for fresh jalapeno. And if you really want spice to your cornbread, go for serrano peppers. Those are really spicy. But I like the briny tang from pickled jalapenos. I love it in cornbread. So this is why I opt to use that. But I do know that a typical jalapeno cheddar cornbread uses fresh jalapeno, but I love pickled jalapenos. So that's just, something I prefer. Okay, so once I'm done mixing all of the batter, I will start adding the corn, the cheese, and folding in those jalapenos and scallions. And again, feel free to add or take away some of those ingredients. You can definitely play around with the ratio of the fresh ingredients. It's completely up to you. Okay, so now that my batter is completely mixed and ready, I'm going to prepare the pan I'm going to bake it in. Here I have a preheated 8-inch cast iron skillet, and I will be adding 5 tablespoons of butter. If you do not have a cast iron skillet, you can definitely use an 8 or 9-inch cake pan, and all you would do is add 5 tablespoons of melted butter to the bottom of the cake pan. So I'm going to pour my batter right into my preheated skillet, into that melted butter, and I am going to be baking this in a preheated oven of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will be baking this somewhere between 22 to 25 minutes or until the center is cooked. Please be sure to check the description below this video for all the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe. So it has been 23 minutes and my cornbread is ready. And as you can tell, the edges are golden brown and crispy, and the interior is cheesy and delicious. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.